Ritika here. I hope everybody's doing good and great during this time of COVID and having a lot of patience. So yes, I got a good response on my first talk on COVID-19 which I've done on my YouTube channel. Link would be in the description, so go check it out. So yes, I thought of doing a part 2 of it, so where I'll be talking about some other topics in here and also the black fungus. So yes, without any wasting of time, let's get started into the talk. So the first topic I'll be talking about is steam inhaler. So yes, everybody would be thinking that this is a machine which can prevent the virus from entering your body, but it's the wrong statement. So according to my research, what I have done, it is completely opposite. So you might be thinking that steam inhaler would help you to prevent the virus from entering your body, but it's completely wrong. So it's only recommended when you have symptoms like cold or stuffy nose, but it is not recommended in COVID-19 positive situations. And in COVID-19 positive situation patients, it is only given to them so that they get the relief out of the cold or cough or any stuffy nose situations. So there's nothing to worry if you're a person who have already bought this steam inhaler just for the COVID times, but you can use it when you have cold or stuffy nose or headache kind of symptoms. It gives you a great relief. So now I'll be putting up the articles which I have researched, and yes, you can also read them and get information more clearly. So now I'll be talking about black fungus, which is a recent thing introduced. So its scientific name is mucormycosis. There's nothing to worry much as it is a rare yet dangerous fungus. So now I'll be telling about the people who are in danger or who can be attacked by this black fungus. So the first is the COVID positive patient, because their immunity level is too low. Then the next is the diabetic patients, and the next is the people who use steroids. I'll be also putting the meaning of steroids in down. And the next is the persons or the people who have the low immunity. So now the most important thing, what are the symptoms of black fungus? So black fungus can be affected in many areas of your body. So first is the sinus or your brain, the second is your lungs, third one is the skin. So the common symptoms are sinus, shortness of breath, cough, headache and chest pain. So these are some of the common black fungus symptoms. So now the other thing about black fungus is it doesn't spread from person to person as we have seen in COVID cases. It just spreads from the fungal spores that are present in there, which is impossible to avoid. So now you may have also heard about this yellow and white fungus just coming up, but there's nothing much to worry as we haven't seen many cases in whole world, so that's nothing much to worry. So now, is there any cure for black fungus? So yes, if you find symptoms in yourself and you can get treated if you get diagnosed earlier, as it is a rare fungus, so yes, you can get cured easily, so nothing to worry much. So now the common thing between this COVID and black fungus which we have to implement in ourselves is to have good amount of immunity. So in both cases we need a lot of immunity. So now I'll be telling about some immunity boosters that you must include in your diet. So the first immunity booster is vitamin C. So you have been already hearing from many doctors recommending to have vitamin C on daily basis. So vitamin C just include lemon or oranges and many other fruits. And also you get these vitamin capsules, these days you can also take them as well. So the second thing is the herbs, which the Indian herbs mainly. It also includes tulsi, ginger, black pepper and many things, so make sure you include them in your diet. Then third is having good amount of fruits and vegetables. And the last and the most important thing is having home cooked food. I know many of you guys have been eating out, but guys, just stop it. Just have home cooked food or just learn cooking and make it. So yes, this is the end of me talking about COVID and black fungus. So I just want to tell guys, let's stay indoors, don't go out at all. Let's follow the rules and just complete this COVID and black fungus chapter over 2021. Just don't take it to 2022. Let's have a bright 2022, guys. So yeah, I feel everybody will follow the rules after seeing my videos. So now it all depends on us, how we follow rules and how we take care of ourselves. If we follow rules perfectly, then we can complete this chapter of COVID and black fungus in 2021 itself and have a good and bright 2022. So yes guys, I'll just tell you guys, just follow rules and let's help each other and stay safe. So yes, if you have any comments or any queries or any questions about my 2 videos, you can just post them in comment section. I'll definitely be back with a video if it's necessary to me to answer. And if you have any extra information, you can write it in the comment section below. I'll be pinning them so that everybody can also get information from you guys. Let's help each other. Yeah, so yes, that's it for my video. I hope you all liked my video. So yes, till now it was Geetika signing off. Bye.